Qatar Energy temporarily halts LNG shipments amid rising regional tensions. Qatar Energy has reportedly halted certain LNG shipments following heightened geopolitical tensions triggered by Iranian drone strikes in the region. The development has raised fresh concerns in global energy markets, as Qatar remains one of the largest exporters of liquefied natural gas worldwide. Qatar plays a central role in global LNG trade, supplying major consuming regions including Europe, South Asia, and East Asia. Any disruption, even temporary, tends to create ripple effects across pricing benchmarks, shipping routes, and energy security calculations. The reported pause in shipments appears to be precautionary in nature, linked to security considerations amid regional instability. Maritime logistics in the Gulf region are highly sensitive to geopolitical risks, especially around key shipping corridors. In periods of heightened military tension, energy companies often reassess vessel movements, insurance exposure, and port operations to ensure safety. For global markets, even short-term supply uncertainty can trigger volatility in LNG spot prices. Europe, which has increased LNG imports in recent years to diversify away from pipeline dependence, remains particularly sensitive to supply shifts from the Middle East. Asian importers such as Japan, South Korea, and India also closely monitor Qatari cargo schedules due to long-term contracts and seasonal demand fluctuations. Energy analysts suggest that if the halt remains temporary and shipments resume quickly, the impact on overall annual supply may be limited. However, prolonged disruptions could tighten the global LNG balance, especially if coupled with other supply constraints or peak seasonal demand. Geopolitical tensions in the Gulf historically have influenced both oil and gas markets. The current situation underscores the vulnerability of global energy trade to regional security developments. Shipping routes, including strategic maritime corridors, remain critical arteries for global energy flows. As of now, markets are closely watching official confirmations, duration of the halt, and any further escalation in regional hostilities. The resumption timeline for shipments will be key in determining whether this remains a short-term logistical pause or develops into a broader supply risk scenario. Global investors and energy consumers will continue to monitor developments, as LNG remains a crucial transition fuel in the global energy mix and a cornerstone of energy security strategies worldwide. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.